Bonjour à tous, hi everyone and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 6, leçon F. And in this lesson we'll discover together les comparatifs. So if you want to compare in French, well, this is the lesson you should definitely watch. So in this lesson, we'll discover three types of structures. The first one, avec un nom, with the noun. Second one, avec un adjectif, with an adjective. And the last one, avec un verbe, with a verb. Okay, so if you want to compare with these structures, then we'll start with the first one, avec un nom. Okay, so if you want to compare with a noun, then remember that if you want to say more, then you will have to use this plus, de, and then here you will put your noun. After that, followed by que, than, and the rest of the structure. Okay, let's see one example. J'ai plus de chance que vous. J'ai plus de chance que vous. Okay, chance is luck. Okay, j'ai plus de chance que vous. Vous is you. All right. Il a plus d'amis que moi. Il a plus d'amis que moi. Amis, friends. Nous avons plus de livres que. Nous avons plus de livres que. Okay, so if I want to be really honest, and I will be, there is a strange thing in French language with this plus. Okay, because in some cases you will have to pronounce the final S, and in other cases you won't. So what I would advise you to do, because we are at a beginning stage, it would be to pronounce it each time, especially with this type of structure. So if you want to construct it followed by a noun, then in that case, my advice would be pronounce it. Okay. After that, if you've got the chance to go in French-speaking countries or meet French-speaking persons, then you can listen to them and you will learn how to use it or not. Okay, but the first advice would be, if you're using this kind of structure with nouns, then pronounce it. Okay, so let's see now if you want to say as. Okay, so if you want to compare, so it would be autant de followed by the noun, then with this que, than, and you continue your structure. Okay, j'ai autant de chance que vous. Okay, so I kept exactly the same sentences just to make it more clear. Okay, j'ai autant de chance que vous. Il a autant d'amis que moi. Il a autant d'amis que moi. Okay, so as usual in French, you've got this de here, but then if the word, coming right after is starting with a vowel or sh plus a vowel, then you should definitely take this away. Okay, il a autant d'amis que moi. Nous avons autant de livres que. Okay, and then same thing here, as you can see here, you've got this que. Okay, but then followed by a vowel. In that case, needs to go away, and then you get this que. All right. Then if you want to say less, it's moins in French. So no discussion about the S here. Don't pronounce it. Okay, moins de, and then you put your noun, que, than, and the rest of the structure. So let's see. J'ai moins de chance que vous. J'ai moins de chance que vous. Il a moins d'amis que moi. Il a moins d'amis que moi. Nous avons moins de livres que. Nous avons moins de livres que. Alright, so that's it. Now let's see if you want to compare and use a structure with an adjective. Donc avec un adjectif, okay. First structure, if you want to use this more, okay, so you will use this plus, and in that case you don't pronounce the S, okay, plus. Then you put your adjective, and after that you put this que, than, and the rest of the sentence. Okay, so let's see now. Elle est plus rapide que moi. Rapid is fast. Okay? Elle est plus rapide que moi. Il est plus fort que son frère. Fort is strong. Il est plus fort que son frère. Nous sommes plus intéressés que vous. Okay? And in that case, well, you make this little link, little liaison between the two, so you hear a little bit this S. Okay? Nous sommes plus intéressés que vous. Alright, so let's see them one more time. Elle est plus rapide que moi. Il est plus fort que son frère. Nous sommes plus intéressés que vous. Alright? And then, aussi, then you put your adjective, que, then, and the rest of the sentence. Okay, so the same examples. Elle est aussi rapide que moi. Il est aussi fort que son frère. Nous sommes aussi intéressés que vous. Okay, so I'll repeat them. Elle est aussi rapide que moi. Il est aussi fort que son frère. Nous sommes aussi intéressés que vous. Alright? And then, moins, same thing here. Remember, we don't pronounce the final S. Then you put the adjective que, than, and the rest of the sentence. Okay? Elle est moins rapide que moi. Il est moins fort que son frère. Nous sommes moins intéressés que vous. Okay, one more time. Elle est moins rapide que moi. Il est moins fort que son frère. Nous sommes moins intéressés que vous. All right? And so the last structure, if you want to compare with a verb, then in that case, remember, plus will be with the S. So pronounce it plus que. Okay, let's see now. Elle parle plus que toi. Elle parle plus que toi. Il mange plus que son frère. Il mange plus que son frère. Nous voyageons plus que vous. Nous voyageons plus que vous. Okay, so let's repeat them. Elle parle plus que toi. Il mange plus que son frère. Nous voyageons plus que vous. And then, autant que. All right? So it goes like, elle parle autant que toi. Il mange autant que son frère. Nous voyageons autant que vous. All right, so let's repeat them one more time. Elle parle autant que toi. Il mange autant que son frère. Nous voyageons autant que vous. And the last one. Moins que. Elle parle moins que toi. Il mange moins que son frère. Nous voyageons moins que vous. One more time. Elle parle moins que toi. Il mange moins que son frère. Nous voyageons moins que vous. And this is it. Okay, the next lesson is here on YouTube/Imagier, and then the website is here, imagier.net. Have a great day. Bye bye.